IKEA will bring 2 speakers to the United States and the United Kingdom to keep those who anticipate the 2019 Sonos-Ikea partnership satisfied. These are IKEA's first attempts to make speakers. The units connected by Bluetooth are called Eneby, and there are 2 sizes, a smaller model of 8x8 inches and a larger version of 12x12 inches. Customers can choose between black or gray polyester fabric over black or white plastic. The smaller speaker is meant to be more portable, as it comes with a handle, and you can choose to add a battery pack for up to 10 hours of battery life. The speakers have an automatic shut-off feature to save power when they are not in use. You can also connect a 3.5mm auxiliary cable if you prefer to listen with devices that do not have Bluetooth. Both speakers allow you to pair up to 8 Bluetooth devices. IKEA does not show any audio specification on its site, but it seems that they have a separate tweeter and woofer. It is also possible to mount the speakers on wall mounts or on a stand, but these are sold separately. The smallest Eneby speaker costs $49, while the largest costs $89. IKEA is also selling the drum kit for $20 and speaker support is $10. Like most IKEA furniture, some assembly is required, but not much in this case. It is mainly about connecting the handle to the smaller model. Currently, you cannot buy speakers online, but they are available at most stores.